Good morning. My name is David Estrada. I'm going to explain my sixth activity. The first is let's play prepare the dinner. This is the name of the activity. Let's prepare the dinner is for three grade from 6 to 8 years old. The brief description is the teacher sing a song, mention some cooking book, and according to the cooking book mentions, the children will repeat the movement and sing along with the teacher. For example, let's have a dinner and we should say the cook the carrot and boil the egg, mix the ingredients and slide the I don't know the carrot, and the student have to imitate the action and repeat the cucumber. So the instruction are everyone in the room stand up, listen to the teacher because it's like a song. Could be that the teacher sing, and in the song we found a different cucumber. The student imitate the gesture according to the cooking verb, sing with the teacher, and repeat the verb. The next activity is part of the house. This is the name. This is for 5th grade from 8 to 12 years old. The description is the teacher plays sing in different part of the room. Could be in different part of the room. They paint a sink and indicate a part of the house. And she or he will give a instruction to the students in which to which part of the house they should go and what they do. For example, the teacher can divide the class in different group of five, and they say, go to the kitchen and prepare the dinner, and the student go to that part of the house and say, uh, I'm in or we are in the kitchen and we had prepared the dinner for my family, and they have to say a sentence. For example, the teacher say to another group, so go to the bathroom and take a shower, and the student said, we are in the bathroom and we are going to take a shower, and they have to repeat, they have to go to the part of the house and make a sentence, or the teacher can give the sentence. The instructions are listen to what the teacher said. In the teacher mentioned, you get up, go to the part of the house to which you were told, do the homework that the teacher said, and repeat the verb. The next activity, let's play. Tell me what happened. This is the name. This is for 5th grade from 8 to 12 years old. The teacher will tell a history that the protagonist go through the forest, sorry, and meet different animals. The student must imitate the sound and the movement of the animal that the teacher mentioned. For example, once upon a time, Diego goes to the forest and found out snakes, and the student have to repeat the name of the animals. Snakes imitate the animal's home. The instructions are everyone in the room stand up, pay attention to the history. In this activity, they improve to the listening skill, imitate the gesture according to the animal, and imitate the animal's sound. The next is let's play English Got Talent. English Got Talent is for 9th grade from 12 to 15 years old. The teacher will play a 10-second video of a famous actor, or actress, or could be a sing, could be a song, sorry, and or singer, and the select students could be one or more students to select. Using they have to must sing or dance according to the video. For example, the teacher play a video of about famous song, and the student have to sing that song and imitate the dance of the singer. The structure, sorry, are the teacher select one or more students. A student should come to the front of the class. The teacher play a 10-second video. The student have to watch the video, and the student must sing or and dance according to the singer according to the video. The next is the snack and award. This is the name, the snake and the award. This is for ninth grade from 12 to 15 years old. And the brief description are the teacher will divide the class in two groups. Each group will make a line like a snake, and at the end of the line, a student in front of the whiteboard have to write a sentence. The teacher will say in the first student a complete sentence, and that student have to pass to another student and so on to finish the last student that are in front of the whiteboard that have to write the correct sentence. So the instruction are everyone in the room stand up and make a line, listen to the teacher and say this sentence in the earth to your partner, because another student they don't have to earth the sentence of the first in the first time. The last student must write the sentences that his partner passed him. The group that completes three sentences correctly wins the that activity. Let's play what goes next. This is the another activity. What goes next is the name. This is for ninth grade from 12 to 15 years old. Description or the teacher will say different sentence numbers, would be song or the alphabet or everything that the teacher wants could be said. Uh, dance, and the student must finish the sentences, the alphabet, the number of the song. Could be the song that if you're happy and you know, yeah, the student have to complete or finish the action. And the instruction are everyone in the room is in that, listen to the teacher, finish what the teacher said or does. And that's all.